And the reason software is a good idea is because you only have to get the sale once, and then you can make a monthly recurring revenue off of it indefinitely as long as the person stays subscribed. Now with my personal channel, since I teach people how to grow their very own niche faceless YouTube channels, I made a course that I could sell with this channel that teaches my entire process step by step. And then all I did is I put the link to this course in the description of all of my personal channel videos, and I make around $70,000 per month just from this one traffic source alone. And that's 45% of my monthly income. So the lesson in this and the huge takeaway for you is that if you have any type of skill whatsoever that you know just 1% more than most people in, and ideally it's in a niche related to health, wealth, happiness, technology, or travel, then you could potentially be sitting on millions of dollars. Source number 5 is selling high ticket products. So then I started a high ticket program called Quantum Courses, where I teach people how to launch their very own course and promote it with free YouTube traffic to scale up and make a ton of money and help a ton of people.